Motorcycles offer riders a thrilling experience, but they also come with inherent risks. Motorcycle accidents can result in severe injuries and even fatalities. As a motorcycle lawyer, I have witnessed numerous cases involving different accident scenarios. In this video, we will delve into some common motorcycle accident scenarios and provide insights to help riders understand the causes, prevention methods, legal considerations, and steps to take after an accident. Understanding motorcycle accidents. Before exploring specific accident scenarios, it's crucial to grasp the nature of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycles, compared to other vehicles, lack the protective structure of a car or truck. This vulnerability exposes riders to a higher risk of injury. Understanding the dynamics of motorcycle accidents can help raise awareness and promote safer riding practices. Common causes of motorcycle accidents. Several factors contribute to motorcycle accidents. Some of the most common causes include distracted driving. Drivers who engage in activities like texting, eating, or talking on the phone while driving can easily overlook motorcycles. Lane splitting. Lane splitting, a practice where motorcycles ride between lanes of slow-moving or stopped traffic, increases the chances of accidents. Speeding. Excessive speed reduces a rider's ability to react to sudden changes in traffic conditions. Impaired driving. Alcohol, drugs, or fatigue can impair a rider's judgment, coordination, and reaction time. Motorcycle accident scenario 1. Intersection collisions. One common accident scenario involves collisions at intersections. When a driver fails to yield or violates a motorcyclist's right-of-way, the consequences can be disastrous. These accidents often result from driver negligence, lack of visibility, or failure to notice approaching motorcycles. Motorcycle accident scenario 2. Rear-end collisions. Rear-end collisions occur when a vehicle strikes the rear end of a motorcycle. This can happen due to a distracted or inattentive driver, tailgating, or sudden braking by the motorcycle. Rear-end collisions can cause severe injuries, especially if the rider is thrown off the bike. Motorcycle accident scenario 3. Left-turn accidents. Left-turn accidents pose a significant risk to motorcyclists. They happen when a vehicle makes a left turn without properly yielding to an oncoming motorcycle. These accidents often occur at intersections and require careful attention from both drivers and riders to prevent collisions. Motorcycle accident scenario 4. Single vehicle accidents. Not all motorcycle accidents involve other vehicles. Single vehicle accidents can occur due to various factors such as poor road conditions, mechanical failures, or rider error. These accidents emphasize the importance of maintaining proper control over the motorcycle and being aware of potential hazards on the road. Motorcycle accident scenario 5. Open-door collisions. Open-door collisions happen when a parked vehicle suddenly opens its door, obstructing the path of an oncoming motorcycle. Riders have limited time to react, increasing the likelihood of a collision. Awareness and defensive riding can help mitigate the risks associated with open-door collisions. How to prevent motorcycle accidents. While accidents can happen even under the best circumstances, there are steps riders can take to reduce the likelihood of being involved in a motorcycle accident. Proper training. Completing a motorcycle safety course can enhance riding skills and awareness of potential risks. Defensive riding, being alert, anticipating hazards, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles can help prevent accidents. Visibility. Wearing bright reflective gear and using motorcycle headlights during the day can improve visibility to other drivers. Importance of wearing protective gear. Wearing proper protective gear is vital for motorcyclists. Helmets, jackets, gloves, and boots can provide essential protection in the event of an accident. They help reduce the severity of injuries and increase the chances of survival. Legal considerations for motorcycle accidents. When involved in a motorcycle accident, it's essential to understand the legal aspects. Liability. Determining who is at fault is crucial for pursuing legal action and seeking compensation for damages. Insurance coverage. Understanding your insurance policy and the coverage it provides can help navigate the claims process. Steps to take after a motorcycle accident. If you find yourself in a motorcycle accident, it's important to take the following steps. Seek medical attention. Even if you feel fine, it's important to get checked by a medical professional to ensure there are no hidden injuries. Document the scene. Take pictures of the accident scene, gather witness information, and record any relevant details. Hiring a motorcycle accident lawyer. Navigating the legal complexities of a motorcycle accident can be overwhelming. Hiring an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer can provide invaluable guidance, ensuring your rights are protected and you receive fair compensation for your injuries and damages. Understanding your rights. Motorcycle accident victims have legal rights, including the right to pursue compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. An experienced lawyer can help you understand your rights and fight for the compensation you deserve. Conclusion. Motorcycle accidents can have life-altering consequences. By understanding common accident scenarios, taking preventive measures, and being aware of legal considerations, riders can reduce their risks and stay safe on the road. If you find yourself involved in a motorcycle accident, remember to seek legal advice and protect your rights.